Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Taha Institute of Science and Engineering. I am well and hope that you are also enjoying good health and a happy life. So this is the lecture number 7 of Fundamentals of Chemistry, in which we cover the topics of atomic number and mass numbers. So let's start the today's topic, that is atomic number and mass number. First we have atomic number. The atomic number of an element is equal to the number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom. And the atomic number, what is atomic number? Atomic number is the number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom. So it is represented by Z. Atomic number is always represented by Z. As all of atoms of an element having the same number of protons in their mind, so keep in mind atomic number is also termed as identification number for an element. For example, all hydrogen atoms have one proton, so their atomic number is equal to, that is represented by Z, is equal to 1. And in the case of carbon, all the atoms in carbon have 6 protons. All the atoms in carbon have 6 protons, so their atomic number is that is equal to 6. Similarly, in case of oxygen, all atoms having 8 protons, and hence the atomic number that is equal to 8. And the sulfur having 16 protons, showing atomic number that is equal to 16. And now we have to know what is mass number. As we have known that the atomic number is the number of protons of the nucleus, whereas the mass number, it is the sum of number of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus of atom. And the mass number, it is represented by symbol A. So the mathematical expression for the mass number is A, that is equal, as we know that the mass number is equal to the sum of the atomic number or proton number and the neutron number. So A is the representation of atomic mass, and Z for atomic number, and the N for neutron number. So each proton and each neutron has 1 AMU mass, 1 atomic mass unit. For example, each hydrogen atom have 1 proton and no neutron in its nucleus, so its mass number is equal to, that is equal to the atomic number or proton number plus neutron number. As we have 1 proton, so 1 plus, and no neutron, so 1 plus 0 is in case of carbon that has 6 protons and 6 neutrons, so its atomic mass is equal to the number of protons plus number of neutrons. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. Here we have one numerical example or a problem that we have to solve out. How many protons and neutrons are there in an atom having A, that is the representation for mass number, is equal to 238, and Z, that is a representation of the atomic number or a proton number, that is equal to 92. And we have to, what we have given the atomic mass that is equal to 238, and Z or proton number or atomic number that is equal to 92. And what we have to know, we have to know the proton number and the neutron numbers. As we know that number of protons is equal to the atomic number that is represented by Z, is equal to 92 is given. So we have given the number of protons. One part of the question is solved here, and so the other part, that is, we have to find out. So as we know that the equation is equal to Z plus N, so A, that is atomic mass, that is given here, and the Z, that is atomic number or proton number, is also given here, that is equal to 92. So we have to know about the neutron number. So by rearranging, we get the equation in this form: N is equal to A minus Z. So neutron number is equal to A, that is atomic mass number, that is given 238, minus Z, that is also given 92. So by calculating this, we have get the neutron number, that is equal to 146. Here we have some data or some elements with their atomic number and mass number in tabular form. So let's see that what is it. Elements, number of protons, number of neutrons, atomic number and mass numbers. So we have to look what is hydrogen. Hydrogen has one number of protons and no number of neutrons. So its atomic number, that is equal to number of protons, here 1, so 1. And the mass number, that is the sum of the number of protons and the neutron number. So 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. So carbon having number of protons 6, number of neutrons 6. So atomic number, that is also equal to number of protons, that is equal to 6. So the mass number is, that is equal to the mass number of protons and number of neutrons. Here 6 plus 6, that is equal to 12. So in case of nitrogen, number of proton is 7 and the number of neutron is also 7. So its atomic number, that is equal to number of protons, that is 7 and 7. So mass number, that is, it is the sum of number of protons and neutron number. So in case of nitrogen, 7 plus 7 is equal to 14, that is atomic mass number of nitrogen. And in the case of oxygen, we have the number of protons 8 and atomic number of neutron is 8. So its atomic number, that is equal to the number of protons, that is 8. So atomic number is 8, and the mass number, that is sum of neutron and proton, 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. And in the case of fluorine, we have 9 number of protons and 10 number of neutrons. So its atomic number will be, that is equal to the number of protons 9. So 9 is the atomic number of fluorine, and the mass number, that is equal to the sum of the proton number and the neutron number. So 9 plus 10 is equal to 19. So in the case of sodium having 11 number of protons and 12 number of neutrons. So its atomic number, that is equal to the proton number is its atomic number, that is equal to the proton number, it is 11. And atomic mass number, that is the sum of the number of protons and neutrons, is 11 plus 12, that is equal to 23, that is mass number of sodium. The magnesium with number of protons 12 and number of neutrons is also 12. So its atomic number, that is equal to proton number, it is equal to 12. So and the mass number, that is the sum of neutron number and proton, that is 12 plus 12 is equal to 24. 12 plus 12 is equal to 24 for magnesium. And for potassium, we have 19 number of protons and 20 number of neutrons. So its atomic number is equal to 19 because it is equal to the number of protons. So it's the mass number, it is the sum of the number of neutrons and number of protons. So it's 20 plus 19, which is equal to 39. Whereas calcium In case of calcium, number of protons are 20 and the number of neutrons are 20. So its atomic number that is equal to the number of protons, so 20, and the mass number that is equal to neutron number and the proton number. 20 plus 20 is equal, that is equal to 14. You have learned a lot from this lecture. So in the next lecture we will discuss relative atomic mass and atomic mass unit in detail. Stay with us and keep watching our videos for more knowledge. Kindly like, share our videos, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. If you like our work, please press the bell icon button. May Allah bless you. Thank you.